guys, it's Dr. Mo at Captain Rehab, 703-333-5022. We're here in Annandale. So I got Monica here. Monica was in a car accident, what, a month ago, Monica? Yeah. So I've been working on her. I've been doing muscle stem on her, putting heat. We've been doing a vibration plate to kind of break up the adhesions. She's doing better. The pains have gone subsided from what she started, but still has the pain. So we're going to go ahead and adjust her to it and kind of go from there. So let's go face down for me, Monica. Let's check everything. Here we go. All right, Miss Monica, deep breath for me. All the way out. Good. Oh, crack, crack. Good job. This side up for me, Monica, please. Good. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good. She's easy. Other side for me. Good. Deep breath. All the way up. Good. Nice. Face up for me. Oh. Oh. Hello. That woke up, Monica. All right. Thank you so much. So, if you've been in a car accident, neck pain, headache, any kind of pain, come in here. Let us see if we could help you. If you've been in an accident and you don't know what to do, just call us, 703-333-5022. Here in Captain Rehab in Annandale. We'll see you soon, guys. Take care.